Hello everyone, I am Royston, URK24CS1069. Now I am going to explain about array implementation using circular queue. Define a class name as circular queue, then constructor called when you create a new queue. Self.friend is equal to -1. It is index of the friend element -1, meaning that queue is empty. Self.rear is equal to -1. That means index of rear element is -1 means queue is empty. Self dot max is equal to size. The maximum size of the queue is provided by the user. Then self dot cq is equal to none star size. This means list to store the queue element initiated with the none. Def is full. Check if the queue is full. Then return self dot front is equal to 0 and self dot front is equal to self dot max -1. This check the non-vapor full case front equal to 0 and rear at last index. Then checking the wrapper around the case where next rear would equal front. This def is empty self. Then this method is used for empty. Then return self dot front is equal to -1. Then if the queue is already full, then it printed that queue is overfull. And it run without initiating. If self.front equal to -1, therefore it was empty before initiated. If self.front is equal to 0, then self.front to 0. Then self.max is incremented by the 1, then it vapor around. Then if the queue is empty, then it print the underflow message. Then it return the non message. And the printing the return value is equal to remove the value. Then method is display the context of equal in order to empty. If the queue is empty, then it print the queue context is empty list. If temporary gathering of print self.front starting from the front index while looping until collect through the rear. So moving index vapor around its needs. Then dequeuing the one element removing from the front value and dequeuing from the another element may place into the feed salt. Then also vapored around. Then print the current context of the queue. Now we have to enqueue the 999 and enqueue the 10 and enqueue 20. In between we have to dequeue some of the two sets. Now let's try. First we have given the enter the size of the queue is 3. Then queue underflow and we have entered the value of 1 is to 5 and enter the value of 2 is to 10 and enter the value of 3 is to 15. So that queue is overflow. Now dequeued is 5 and dequeued is 10. So the queue contest is 15, 10, 20. Thank you.